Welcome to Greatmats TV. Today we're going to talk about our own garage floor diamond tiles. Perfect for garage floors, events, and trade show floors. These snap-together tiles are durable enough for permanent or temporary installations. The tab and loop connectors snap together with the tap of the foot and hold tightly. Designed for easy removal as well as installation, these garage floor tiles can be installed time and time again without damage to the tiles. Made from a no-break polypropylene plastic material, the raised base design also allows for airflow beneath the tiles, reducing the growth of mold or mildew. The diamond pattern surface texture adds style and slip resistance. Border and corner ramped edges are also available for a finished edge. Clean this flooring with hot water, household floor cleaner, and a damp mop. These 1x1 foot modular garage floor tiles are made in the USA and shipped by a ground or freight delivery to your location. Thanks for watching Greatmats TV.